Everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically here because a wonderful day today with the stock market, and it's been down red in the past 2 days. Today was really red. Most of the stocks are down. Talk about why you should not panic sell and buy the dips, and some of my favorite stocks that you should buy with these dips. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like this. Also, feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing and finance. So let's get to the video. The market has been down this week, and most of the technology companies are down. We see Apple's down, Tesla, Alibaba, Microsoft. This is the nature of the market. They always go down, then they'll go back up. Went down 3%, then went back up. Step here, then went back up. My advice here is to hold your stocks and buy the dips. So the strategy is to buy low, sell high. These dips would be a buying opportunity. In 2020, it went down, then it went back up. It went down, and then it went straight up. Then there's a dip here, then there was a dip here, and there was another dip here, and it went straight up. So what I'm trying to say here is the nature of the stock market is to go up. These red days serve as a buying opportunity. Use these dips to advantage. I'd say back in 2020, you sold all your shares during this huge dip, but then in 2020, it went up, and then you missed out or on the gains. So that's why you should not panic sell. There's going to be dips, but those serve as an opportunity for you. So the first stock you should buy on these dips is called ENPH Energy. Ticker symbol ENPH. So it's currently at $178.17. Currently down 5.9% on the day. I talked about this stock before, so I'm not going to go into depth with this stock. They have a high at $229, so now would be a good time. So let's say $1,000. So you would split your $1,000 in 4 days. $250 today, then on Friday tomorrow, you're another $250, then Monday another $250, then on Tuesday your last $250 on the stock. This stock is for the long term. That's why we don't do strike prices. Highly unlikely for the stock to go to 170 or even 160. That's why I do strike days. The next stock is called PLTR. Today, if you're going to invest in this company, you should average down. How would I invest $1,000 in this company? $1,000 is just an example. Put your first $250, then tomorrow if it's red, put your last $250 on that. Then on Monday if it's a red day again, put your next $250 on that. Then on Tuesday next week, put your last $250 on this. And it might not be red on Tuesday and Monday. Be prepared for the dips. If we had no cash on hand, then we would not be able to buy that. They have a high of $45, so now would be a great time. So the next stock is called SKLZ. Ticker symbol SKLZ. I've talked about this in my top February stock picks. So it's a mobile multiplayer competition platform. How would I play this one? How would I invest $1,000 in this company? This is just an example. You can invest how much you want. Trade around $36.13. They have a high of $46. So let's see. They're down 10% on the week, and on the month. On the month, they have 35.7. So today, I would have started my position at $36. So I put my $250 today. Then tomorrow, if it drops to 34, put my next $250 on that. And on Monday, if it's a red day, put my next $250 on that. Then on Tuesday, if there's a red day on Tuesday, I put my last $250 on that. We'd have cash on hand to buy these dips. So we establish our position in case this runs up tomorrow or Monday. I would hold all of these stocks for at least 5 years. So that was my whole talk on why you should not panic sell on this dip in the past 2 days. And some high growth stocks you should consider. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing and finance. So that's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.